Hi everyone, welcome to this another video in Market Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to see some important report analysis of Bhavcopy, how to do it, and a Excel file also I'm made it ready for you people, and I'm giving to you also. So this is a very important video. I'm sure this is going to help you a lot in analyzing the market. So I've done some back testing, and then I'm just making this report also, and I can show you like how it happened for the month of April. I'm just making this video on 1st May, so I will show you like how this report can be used, and then how you can update this file on your daily basis, and how to analyze, and how to get the option chain also using the Bhavcopy, because many people keep asking for this option chain, how to get this from Bhavcopy. Some people don't know what is Bhavcopy also. So just the reason I'm just making this video for you. So first let us see, for some people who are new to the market also are there, so I'll just make sure that everybody can understand this file and this video. So now let us go to these reports. If you go to this NS India website, just go to market data and then go to daily market reports. You'll be getting all the reports. Now we'll go to derivatives, and then you'll be able to see the reports. So here you can go and see here FNO Bhavcopy file CSV. So just download this file and save this as it is. Don't change the file name. Just save the file here. I've been saving this file here for several years. So I just saved this file here like this. Okay. Just remember this location, like keep a separate folder like this. Keep it month wise like that, so that you know what is that Bhavcopy for which month. So this is the way you first save the file. That's the first step. Now coming to this Excel file here, how to pull the data, I'll just show you the next thing. Now here I just ensure that the file is pulled because if you see the data for any particular day, for example, if you see 29th April, when you open the file, it contains almost 65,000 rows. So much of data you can't hold in Excel. If you see 65,000 rows, roughly almost like for 30 days, so 20 trading days, it will be coming to roughly 13 lakh rows. So okay, but the thing is that the Excel file has a limitation of 10 lakh 48,000 only. So we don't want to just junk the file with so much of data which is contains useless information also. For this, what I'm doing, just open interest whenever it is 0. I'm just ignoring that data and using the file. Now here by only for one date Bhavcopy, this one I'm just filtering that without 0. And this open interest, then I'm getting only 11,000 rows, roughly almost 80% of data I'm just cutting down just because of the information, because if there is no open interest, there is no point in analyzing the information. Maybe there is some no transaction also. If you see here, there is no trade also happening. It just there's some open interest data, but some no transactions happening also. If you see the number of contracts, this is the number of contracts and the value in lakhs. Here also there is no trades happening here. Okay, so that also is there. So just we are ignoring only open interest that is less than or 0. Okay, so what you do is, now once you get for using this file, you should have Office 365. Just to ensure that what is Office 365, go to file, go to account, and you should be able to see Microsoft subscription product, Office Microsoft 365. So this we should see, then only the file can work. So for this you have to, one more thing you have to do is go to file, go to options, and customize ribbon, ensure that developer is selected here. There is one more thing you have to see, and don't change the file name. If you see the file name is XLSM, as it is, save the file with you and don't change any file name, and just as it is, leave it. Now for pulling the data here, now whatever the date you have data is there, and then latest file will get updated automatically. If you see in this folder, whatever I have here, the Bhavcopy, the latest file is there on 29th April. So I'm getting the latest file here. So for this, what you should do, once you save the file in your location, go to data, queries and connections, then you'll get like this Bhavcopy. Right click here, tell edit, then you'll get some information like this. So this is a little technical, but it's better that you learn this Excel features also, so that it be useful. If you're not hardworking in this market data analysis, you cannot make money. See this one, if you just see source here, click on source, and then you'll be able to see the location here. So put your location, whatever is there, pause whatever location was there, just go to browse and then select whatever location is there in your computer, and then you can select the folder here. So like this, I just selected here, April 22 is the folder name I selected here, and then if you see, for example, I select here maybe March 22 I'll say. April 22 is the folder. I'll take March 22 as the folder name, tell OK, and then OK. Now all the data in the March 22 folder I'll get here. Then just click close and load. Then what happens here, the latest file in the March I'll get here automatically. So it goes through all the files what are in the folder, and then it gets the data. Let me just check it. There is no mute here, so that yeah, okay. I hope people are able to listen to this video. So what happens is when loading the data here, it takes all the data from March folder. If you just see the March folder, what is there, you'll try to understand here. Just see the March, the latest file what I have here is date modified 31st March. Okay, so automatically the Excel file senses what is the latest file and pulls down the latest file only. So depending on your computer's performance, RAM, your storage and all, the data, the refreshing can take some time, maybe like 1 minute, maybe it can take. So 21,000 rows we got here, and this is for 31st March. So we got, if you see, even just for month end expiry, the normal 10,000 rows become 21,000 rows here. So without this open interest 0, how much of data will be there? Just go through that and have a look at it. So once you get this data here, just select ignore the first row. From second row, select all the data, Control C, and then paste here. In this Bhavcopy, just paste here below this. Once you paste this, you can see here there is a little table design. It is enabled. If you go outside this will disappear. If you go inside, so ensure that the data whatever you are pasting inside this should be in the table actually. When you go to table design, you can see the table name, table 1 is mentioned here. So this way, only if you put the data into this table, you'll be able to see the report. So I explained you how to get the report, how to pull the data into this, and then paste into this. Now what I have done is I pasted the data for this starting from 1st April and entire Bhavcopy from 1st April till 29th April, and then 31st March Bhavcopy also I updated here. Once I updated the Bhavcopy, then we'll see refresh report. Click refresh report, the data will get refreshed, and just you will see everything getting refreshed now. Just wait for the time. It take 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Now you can see that expiry date, you can see 31st March. Should be able to see 31st March. Okay, date I have to select here 31st March. Now if I select 31st March, I may take this 31st March also. So this is called slicer. So this one, if you see, when you select here, I can get this date. Now when you go to 5th April, if you are not getting this, click this clear button so that all the data will come. Okay, where are the filters there? Just try to remove the filter, you will be able to get all this data. Okay, now let us see for 31st March on this is a timestamp, the Bhavcopy for which date you want to select, and then expiry date what you want to select, you can see. Now once you select this data here, all this information for particular date, one day, or you will get this expiry for this expiry date and this particular day what happened. What is the PCR? Okay, PCR, I'm sure everybody know the total open interest of put, there will be total open interest of calls. Put together, you will get the PCR. So normally in the index, if you see the PCR, more than 1 is bullish and below 1 is bearish. That's what we see. But in case of stocks, it's not like that. Most of the times the PCR will be less than 1 only for majority of stocks. That's what how the stock of futures of stock derivatives work actually. Okay. So now in case you want to see for particular any particular stock, other enterprise you want to see, click A, because otherwise 200 stocks cannot keep on going and seeing it like this. It will take a lot of time. So just to make your life easy, I kept like this A. When you click for A, all the stocks starting with A will get here. Then we'll go for other enterprises. Once you go to other enterprises, you'll be able to see the open interest, PCR and everything. Now similarly, now for particular other enterprises on this day, what is the strike wise PCR? Individual strike wise PCR, if it is more than 1, it is green, and if it is less than 1, it is red. Okay, mentioned here. So if you see here, normally as I told you, stock options will be like less than 1 most of the times, because majority of stocks are trying to sell the put options, or try to sell the put options to make the money. So if you see, guess other enterprises here, it's super bullish here. If you see, if it's something like in PCR is more than 1.7, means super bullish. Stock options, you have to be very careful. When you see the total PCR for stock options, ensure that it is so much of bullishness, means then you should be away from shorting the stock. Okay, that's the one important thing you should know. Just see ACC. Okay, it's 0.72. Any stock which is more than 1 PCR means it is super bullish for stocks particularly. Okay, now we'll clear the stocks here on particular stock, Now overall, when you clear everything, you will get for all the stocks total put together, and this table shows you the range, PCR range, and how many stocks are in this range, and then what is the percentage contribution of each stock. If you see the total, you will get 100%. 100% is the total number of stocks. Out of this, 200 stocks is total stocks. 9.5% of stocks are having a PCR between 0.4 to 0.5. That's what it indicates here. Whenever it is below 65%, it is bullish, and whenever this is below 80%, it is bullish. Okay, when it is crossing 80%, then it is bearish. Automatically, the color coding also made here so that you come to know whether it's bullish or bearish. If you see 31st March, the market was bullish. Okay, that's what is green you are seeing. Now let us go to the next expiry, 28th April. Or you want to see for Bank Nifty only, what you can do is click for Bank Nifty and then click Bank Nifty. You'll be able to get this for 7th April. For 7th April, what is the PCR? You can have a look at it. And also, like in case of Nifty, if you want to see, click this clear here and then click this also, and then click Nifty, and then you'll be able to get for Nifty also the data PCR into the strikers PCR for selected date. You will get 7th April, 1st April, 2nd April. You will get here. Okay, so this way you can read this data for the PCR individually. Now we'll clear the filters. So I'm just trying to give the maximum user-friendly data Excel sheet. I'm just giving away to all the traders. I'm sure many people can get benefit out of this. Please do data analysis, understand the market. The data is very, very important market, because without analyzing the data or charts, you will not be able to make money at all. So understanding the data and the market is very, very important. And I have given the description of this file, link download in the description. Please, you can go and download the file from that actually. That is one more thing. And one more thing is that I have given you the option chain. Actually, option chain, if you see here, this is the place. So here also you can select here ACC. So if you see, important thing is that whatever you select here, it will get selected here also. Okay, so in case you are seeing for option chain, you can get this option chain also. Like for call option, open, high, low, close, change in open interest available. This information is available for selected period. So I want for 26th April, 26th May expiring, and then I want for the 28th April date. What is option chain? You will get the option chain also. Okay, so if you know the condition format, you can do whatever the way you wanted. You can just fine tune this. And this is called slicer. I'm just trying to minimize this so that you can get this in the same place. I'll just put here the timestamp also so that everything will come in the same page. So you can just drag and drop like this, and you can get the information whatever you wanted. Okay, so maybe you can just try to zoom level you can reduce it so they can get maximum. Just drag and drop here whatever you wanted, and you will get it. And in case you wanted two, for example, the slicer, you wanted two dates to come here, extend this, right click, and then go to size and properties, tell 2, number of columns 2, so that you will be able to get two slicer like this, two columns like this. This way you can make the changes. Here also timestamp also, if you have more data, you can do the same. Click anywhere the top, right click here, size and properties, go to number of columns 2, tell OK. So this way you can get two columns here for the any date you want option chain. You can get for 26th May or say 28th April. I want for 1st April, this is option chain. 4th April, you will get the option chain. Okay, so this is a very cool feature in Excel slicer. Just in fraction of a second you get the option chain. And this one you want to get from Bhavcopy means it will take hell a lot of time. So this way I'm sure is going to help you a lot. Please bless me for this thing what I'm giving to you for free. Okay, I want all your blessings. That's what I want. I don't want any money from you people. Okay, please use this file, and if you can change your life and your life path and in the trading career because of this file, I'll be very, very happy. So this is option chain, and trying to give you this one. And then next is the report. Coming back to the report here, this is the main thing. Let us go to the main thing and see here what is happening. Now let us see for 28th April what is happening in the market starting from 1st April. Okay, if you see here the total PCR, the PCR ranging between 0.4 to 0.5, there are 35 stocks, which is almost, I'm just adding all the stocks between this less than 0.5. 47.8% of stocks was trading below 0.5 PCR. Okay, so as I told you, below 68% it is bullish, and here also below 80% is bullish. Okay, so you will get an indication first here and then here you will get 68%, 80%. Just remember this number. Okay, maybe you can do back testing and fine tune also. when you see 31st March, I told you 31st March is one thing. 31st March, you see it is super bullish. Okay, because majority of stocks were in above this PCR of more than 50% of the stocks are very good bullishness. This you can see in the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty also, like what is happening there, you can have a look at it. 31st March, 31st March, 25th, 31st March. 31st March was super bullish. See what happened in 2 days. Bank Nifty went up also. Okay, now we can take the sample also of this date here, 27th October. Like here, 27th October was there, then 25th October. This also will have a look at it and see how you can analyze the trend. That will be showing also. Now let us go to the April, 28th April here, 28th April and 1st April. If you go to the 1st April, what is happening is, see it is bullish. Now go to 4th April, see what is happening, it is bullish. 50%, 77%. 5th April, bullish. 6th April, it is, we got some trend here telling that be alert, because now the data, the stocks which are trading between the PCR of 0.5, 0.7 is increasing. Okay, now next level increasing will happen. So 6th April, what happened in the Bank Nifty? Let us see here. 6th April, we got a clue. We got a clue from the Bank Nifty. This is a template for Bhavcopy. Market is getting bearish. Okay, now what happened here? After that, market kept on falling here. Correct. Now see after this what happened. Now 82%. Now next day you see 17.6. Slightly come down, but definitely you should be very careful, because technically now we can have a look at it and see what's happening. And here if you see again what happened on this 13th April, let us see. 11th April, again it went bullish. It's bearish. One day it was bullish only, after that it became bearish. You can see next day super bearish. 12th April, what happened is super bearish. 12th April, the market closed in green, but if you see the Bhavcopy, they prepared for the fall. 87% it went. Then 13th April, then 18%. 18th April, 90%. 19th April, you can see here. So this way, the file can show you like whether market is bearish or bullish. Sorry. So you can see here how the market does keep on making down moves. On the expiry day, it will become something bullish slightly. Now here, let us go to the May, 26th May 2022, and then we'll see for the 29th April what's happening. So for the May expiry, if you see, it is bullish only. As of now, it is bullish only. So the Monday fall, whatever you're expecting from based on Dow Jones, I'm sure it's not it's a trap possibly. Okay, so because as I mentioned, the diagrams are also, we are starting the long cycle lunar swing trading actually from this Monday, because of this Amavasya came on Saturday. So this fall, whatever is there, should be used for the buying call options on the every dips actually. Now let us see here, as I mentioned you that I want to show you for old dates, what is the data, how it is working. Maybe you can just see here on 26th October and 27th October. 2 dates are there. Let us try to have some of this data. Maybe it will take some time. The video can be extending actually. I don't want the video to extend. Just you can just what you do is just simply select the folder here and then pull the data into this and then copy paste into this, and then next step is click refresh report. You get the data. Then you can start using the this Excel file. Hope this file is going to help you a lot in doing your data analysis. Every day just close of the market, update this and see the market, what's happening, and understand the broader market trend. Hope you like this video. Take advantage of